I have a problem. So recently I've been researching cold email tools for this video and I noticed something. To run successful cold email campaigns, you need a ton of tools. You start by choosing between Instantly, Lemlist, Clay or Salesforge, and then it never stops. You subscribe to Apollo to get unlimited leads, only to start exploring other databases like Crunchbase. Then you need tools to validate those leads to make sure you're not reaching out to invalid mailboxes. The process never stops and it gets hella expensive, especially if you want to scale. You need more domains and mailboxes, more expensive email sending software plans, more leads, more validation. It's a headache that eats money instead of medicine. And that got me thinking. Paying for Instantly, Apollo, Clay, or other tools isn't the worst part. What I dislike the most is the labor. I have to learn the best deliverability practices. I need to learn how to source leads that match my ICP. And that's just what you need to learn to get started. Managing campaigns never stops. Scraping leads and validating them is always on your mind. All these tools, for the price that it racks up, I'd expect everything to be done for me. And that's when it hit me. Other companies have been working on cleaning this mess, eliminating any manual work and reducing friction for people by introducing AI. Yeah, you must have heard about apps like 11xAI or AI SDR. AI agents that automate sales tasks, basically replacing two things. All other apps I've mentioned previously, like Instantly, Lemlist, Apollo, and it also replaces manual labor with, well, nothing. Not only do these AI agents free up your time, they also require less knowledge to start. So that lowers the barrier of entry, but there's still a problem. If we compare 11x and AI SDR to all the apps we need to use to run cold email, we notice two things. First, yes, we eliminate a lot of friction, a lot of work, and a lot of management, but the second thing that we notice is the cost. AI agents cost an arm and a leg to run. AI SDR start at thousands of dollars per month, and the cost only increases with the amount of leads you want to process. So while replacing multiple tools with one AI agent sounds good, it can cost quite a bit, unless you go with the best of the best. There's an alternative that combines everything, the best of both worlds. An alternative that puts all tools into one place and eliminates any manual labor. And that alternative is Agent Frank. Agent Frank is just like any other AI SDR, but better. You see, Agent Frank is different because it's built by people who have decades of sales experience. It's built on top of Salesforge's ecosystem. Yeah, the same ecosystem that can tackle any cold email problem, like email infrastructure setup, deliverability, mailbox health, or even writing personalized cold emails. And this means that you know exactly what's under the hood. Don't want to hire Agent Frank? That's okay. You can DIY this stuff. But for those who value your time, you'll see Agent Frank is a part of your team. Because Agent Frank finds leads for you based on your ICP, it personalizes emails and sends them out with perfectly crafted follow-ups. Agent Frank also replies to your prospects and handles objections. Agent Frank is like your best performing SDR, doing everything till it books a sales call. So, a message for those who value time and money. I urge you to take a look at Agent Frank. I'm not asking you to buy anything. I'm not rushing you with limited time offers. No, all I'm suggesting is to book a demo, because then you'll actually see how powerful Agent Frank really is.